was made, so I want you to fade away. Hope it will rain and then it'll make my whole bed drenched dead. But you know I'm left with nothing when you go away. I just know that you cannot love again if it were to be washing away. I just know that if there's not the rain, but if it were you, could I forget?